Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Delta Rockwell table saw. 14-inch blade capacity, 7.5 horsepower, 230 460 volt, currently wired to 30 volt. It's a model 34395. You're going to get the original T-slotted miter gauge. These are really nice and beefy. It's a really heavy unit. Nice original throw plate. You're going to get a Biesemeyer fence. It's a 48-inch fence plate on there, so it is the larger fence plate. 78-inch guide bar. Still moves as it should and locks nice and tight. It tilts really nice, as you can see. Mind you, I'm doing this one with one hand while holding a camera, so again, you can see it just moves nice and effortlessly, as it should. Just do a fast walk around. Really clean case on this one. It's original paint. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Quiet running, new belts. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.